Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya. I hope everyone is safe and sound and you're staying home and enjoying staying home. For me, I really love staying at home. I'm not a person who, likes to go out and enjoying, crafting, cooking, homeschooling and all these cute stuff. For me, really, it's more like quality time with, my daughter and with my husband. Yeah. So anyway, today I would like to share with you the 101 release for my creative time, and let's start. So I will not go with order, but whatever I have here. So this is the first thing. So I have here all the ABCDs, and the thing that I really like about it, it's 2 layers. So you can use a design paper or 2 different cardstock, cardstock, and here is where I die cut all of them. That's really, really cute. I really like it. So you can do your word or wherever. This is a fun activity. My daughter, she's in grade 1, so I can, give it to her and I ask her, to layer them or, keep her busy at least for half an hour. So as you see here. So this is the first thing. The second thing, we have a stamp and a die, and this one called Stay Beautiful. And you see all these beautiful sentiments. Let me read for you. So we have happy birthday, thinking of you, stay grateful, stay beautiful, make yourself proud, believe in yourself, and make every day count. Yes. And this is the card. And so I used a Gina K cardstock. This is very dark red. I really love this color. Then I heat embossed the flowers, and I used, this is my first time to use gouache. Let me show you this one, the Arteza one, which is really good. Yeah, it's gouache is a little bit what do you call it, it's more like acrylic paint, but not acrylic paint. You see, and then I mix some green and blue. Then in the end, sorry, for the center I just add stickles. Then next we have tag dies, tag frame dies and tag frame die layers, as you see here, and I played with them all to try them. So this is the bigger size, and this is, not bigger and smaller, but to layer them like this. And I like the stitching. Focus please, I know you hear the wind. Yes. Then I die cut the flower, and I stamp a sentiment from Stay Beautiful. Okay, let me show you the sizes. Really good, really love them. Very nice and quick, if you want to make mass production of gifts. Next, this is my favorite one. This die is my favorite one. I really love it. And this one called Pretty Circle Layers, and also we have Pretty Scallop circles. And to try them, I made this shaker card. This can be you can just adhere it to a card. I didn't layer it like this. This is the A7 size card, so it's a shaker. And I used the bow from the previous release, and I add a shaker, make it a shaker card. And this one I add just a picture of owl or any stamped images. Okay, it's like this. And you see the details for the stitching. Really, really super cute. So now I'm going to color with you the flower. I'm gonna do a card. I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna leave you now with some music, relaxing, and watch me watercolor this beautiful flower.